Gond Katira through the ages. Gond Katira. It sounds exotic, doesn't it? This resin, also known as Shiraz gum, has a rich history. For centuries it has journeyed from the Middle East and South Asia. Ancient healers whispered secrets of its healing powers. Gond Katira's story is woven with culinary ingenuity and wisdom. In scorching heat, it provided relief and nourishment. Mothers soaked it overnight, creating a cooling treat. Today we can still experience its magic. Sometimes the best remedies are found in nature. Nature's little helper. Health benefits of Gond Katira. Gond Katira isn't just delicious, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. This unassuming resin is a natural coolant, perfect for beating the summer heat. It's known to aid digestion, soothing the stomach and promoting gut health. Gond Katira steps up as an immunity booster, strengthening our body's natural defenses. Cool down with Gond Katira. Refreshing summer drinks. Ready to experience the magic of Gond Katira? Let's whip up some refreshing drinks. Soak a handful of Gond Katira crystals in water overnight. They'll transform into soft, jelly-like pearls. Blend with chilled milk, sugar and cardamom. These drinks are a delicious way to cool down and boost your health. Gond Katira for beauty, skin and hair care secrets. Gond Katira's magic extends into our beauty routines. Its cooling properties work wonders for the skin. Create a face mask with yogurt and honey. Leaves your skin soft and supple, calms and heals sunburn. Use as a natural hair conditioner. Beyond the kitchen, other uses of Gond Katira. Gond Katira is a versatile ingredient with uses that extend far beyond food and drinks. In textiles, it's used as a natural binding agent, holding dyes and prints in place. Artists and craftsmen have long valued Gond Katira for its adhesive properties. It's a key ingredient in traditional paints and inks, adding durability and a unique texture to their creations. And in herbal medicine, Gond Katira continues to play a vital role. Used in remedies for everything from coughs and colds to digestive issues. From ancient remedies to modern applications, Gond Katira's versatility is a testament to its enduring value. Rediscovering ancient remedies, your turn to explore. Gond Katira is a bridge between the past and present, reminding us of the power and wisdom embedded in natural ingredients. It's an invitation to reconnect with ancient traditions and explore the potential of nature's bounty. So why not embark on your own Gond Katira adventure? Experiment with these recipes, explore its beauty benefits, and discover how this ancient ingredient can enrich your life. Have you ever tried Gond Katira? Share your experiences and recipes. Let's keep the conversation going and rediscover the magic of natural remedies together.